Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone and plan support Verizon 5G, then enable cellular data, location, and the smartphone's 5G network mode. Open the Verizon app to sign in. It shows account-specific tools and may surface a compass or signal indicator. Also install a trusted signal meter app so you have raw RSSI, RSRP, or SINA readings. Once done, position yourself near windows or outdoors and keep the phone's orientation consistent. That stability makes direction readings reliable when you begin scanning. Now use the Verizon app's tools or put your phone into field test mode to display cellular metrics like RSRP, RSRQ, and SNR. These reveal where the strongest 5G beam is. Walk a slow circle while holding the phone level, rotate in 10 to 15 degree steps, and note where readings peak. Log azimuth or compass headings and timestamps for each peak so you can correlate them. Make sure to avoid metal objects and Wi-Fi interference because they can distort the directionality of the measurements. Finally, compare your recorded headings and peak signal strengths to the visible skyline or to known tower locations. The compass heading that consistently shows highest RSRP indicates the approximate 5G beam direction. To finalize, repeat the sweep from a second nearby position to confirm consistency. If results are noisy or contradictory, restart the phone, toggle airplane mode on then off, and rerun the field test. That often clears transient radio glitches. If problems persist, contact Verizon support with your logged readings for deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.